Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to make sausage bread rolls. This easy bread recipe will help you make the best bakery style sausage rolls using a few ingredients at home. These rolls are so tender and fluffy, you're not gonna buy from bakery anymore. If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Now let's get started. These are the ingredients you will need to make this recipe. Into a large mixing bowl, add a cup of warm milk. It should not be hot. Three tablespoons of sugar. 2 1/4 teaspoons of instant yeast. 1 egg. Combine all these ingredients well. Add a teaspoon of salt, give it a nice mix. Here I have got 3 1/4 cups of plain flour, that is 405 grams. Mix until you form a dough. Dough has come together. Now add 60 grams of unsalted butter. Transfer the dough to a counter. Knead well for about 10 minutes or until dough is smooth and elastic. This step is very important to get a soft bread or rolls. Initially, the dough will be sticky like this. It's okay. Keep kneading for 10 minutes. Use a flat dough scraper like this. Scrape, knead and slap the dough. The softer the dough, the more softer our rolls will be. A tip for you, if you find the dough very sticky after kneading for 10 minutes, you can add little more flour. If it's dry, even after kneading for 10 minutes, you can add little more milk or water. I've been kneading the dough for 10 minutes. Dough is kneaded enough. Add little oil, coat it well so that the dough will not stick to the bowl. Smooth into a ball and place in the bowl. Keep the dough in a warm place. The dough has to double in size. Add little more oil on top. This will prevent the dough from drying. Cover and place it in a warm place for an hour or until doubled in size. Dough has risen well. Deflate the dough by punching out the air. Transfer the dough to a working space. Gently knead one more time. Divide the dough into equal portions, roll into a ball, Cover and keep it aside. Let it sit for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare our sausages. Cook sausages in some boiling water for about 7 to 8 minutes. Remove the sausages from the water, set aside. Our sausage is bland. Let's give a punch to it by adding half a teaspoon of each roasted paprika, onion powder, garlic powder and mixed herbs. Mix everything well. Coat well on the sausage and set aside. Dough has rested well for 15 minutes. Now let's preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Take a portion, gently roll out the dough. Using a knife or a pizza cutter, slice the inner part lengthwise as shown here. Place a sausage at one end of the dough and roll out. Likewise, I'll finish the rest of the sausage and show you. We prepared all of them. Place them on a parchment paper lining sheet. Cover it with a cloth or a cling. Let them sit for 10 more minutes. If your place is cold, it may take around an hour for the rolls to rise well. After 10 minutes, they have puffed up really well. Let's give a milk wash. You can also give egg wash as well. On top, sprinkling some sesame seeds. Now they're all ready to go into the oven. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 18 to 20 minutes. I'm brushing the top with some butter while they are still warm. This will make the rolls even more soft. These rolls are soft, tender and fluffy, and I hope you find this recipe easy to make. It's a good breakfast and a fantastic snack. I'm pretty sure you'll love it. You have to try this since they are so easy and tasty. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you next time with another recipe. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.